Let's learn how to compute the number 675 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 6. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 1. Now as 1 is less than 5, so we will bring down this 7 here. And we know that 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Subtract, we get 2. Now again see that these 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this 5 here. And we know that 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 675 divided by 5 is equal to 135. And this is our final answer. Note that this video is made up with this digital pen tablet. The link is given in the description box. Now if we verify this with a calculator, just type 675, then division symbol, then 5 and then press equal sign. See that the answer is 135 and it's verified. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.